Hey friends, my name is Catherine and I am going to be doing another Franken paper today. When I was going through the stack yesterday, I found this big piece which is perfect for an 8.5 by 11. It takes up most of the space of it already on its own. So it's perfect for just gluing a little bit extra onto to extend it out and make it a full page size. This one has all kinds of like green and growing things on it, so I think that's going to be the theme of this page. It's actually, yep, the backside is pretty boring, but that's all right. It's a double-sided paper, so it'll work perfectly for this actually. Let's see. So we've got these leaf skeleton prints from the other day as well that we set aside, and just some little bits and pieces. Let's go through the stack and see if we can't find something else. Nope, that's big enough for a full page on its own, although I could put that together. No, I don't think I will. I think I'll save that for a full page of its own. Let's see. Ooh, this is also big enough for a full page of its own, but I love those birds, and I think I have two like this. Let me just... I do. I've got two like this. So I'm going to set one aside for a full page, and I'm going to cut the birds off of here and use it, because I like those birds. So let's slide it so that we get as much of the bird as possible onto here. And cut that off and set this aside for something else. And put these birds together with this. Actually, let's put these birds up here. I like that better. It covers less of the greenery and gives me more of the birds. Let's do that. These are actually from the same paper pack. It's a Tim Holtz paper pack, and I'm sorry I don't remember the name, guys, but that's what it is. Alright, so let's just hold the edge where the paper lines up with our finger, and that marks it out so we remember where it goes, and then just put glue all over that business. For goodness sakes. Okay, edge and line it up and make sure everything's lined up and even on all sides. And this cutting mat doesn't normally have a mark at 8.5 and 11, or at 8.5, but I just took a ruler and a stick of chalk and put a mark there for my purposes for now, because chalk will wipe off really easily when I don't want it there anymore. So that's it got out of alignment. So that's a perfect solution if your board doesn't have marks at the 1/2 inch, which most of them don't, being honest. And you don't want to leave a permanent mark on your mat. You don't have to. You can just do a temporary one, and it'll all work out. There we go. Okay, now we've just got this little bit of space over here to fill up, and then we can decorate it. Do you think these leaves, I don't think they're going to glue together enough. Let's see. I've got... Hey, now that might be an interesting thing. I've got this scrap, and it's a burlap pattern from an old calendar, actually, and that might be a good thing right there. And then I just need a little bit more covered by like a leaf. That could work. I don't know. It's a different texture than the rest of it, and I might want to try and keep it all in the same texture. Let's see. Let's just go through what else we've got and see if we've got anything else interesting that'll cover that space. I don't think nothing's immediately jumping out at me. We might try putting on that burlap and a leaf. In fact, I think we will. It doesn't matter. It's okay, whatever. Let's trim this off about right there. That should give it a good... Oh, and if I can cut straight, that'd be even better. Let's face it, nobody can cut straight. And if anybody tells you they can, they aren't being honest. There we go. Okay. So, we'll just lift this up and put glue on the back page where we think it'll be about. And then move this back into place because it shifted around as we were putting glue on it, because of course it did. There we go. And then everything lines up and is even and is hopefully sort of kind of straight. Let's just scooch that down a little bit more. There we are. Okay, and then it's time to leaf this baby. And then we can do like another leaf, but like in another place, like decoratively, so that it all ties it together. Maybe, ooh, maybe on the opposite side. That might be what we end up doing, is putting another leaf on the opposite side. Let's stick this leaf down real quick and then flip it over and see if that's the thing that we're going to end up doing. It may be. Okay. So now we have an 8.5 by 11 page, and this backside is pretty boring. Yeah, I'm going to put a leaf on this side. Just dress it up a little bit. Go. There we are. And then, what do you think? Up and down or side to side? I kind of think up and down. I kind of think right smack dab in the middle of this, so that it's very obviously serving no purpose. And there we have it. I actually really found it interesting sewing on the previous page that we did. I just set it to my widest zigzag stitch and went all the way down or across the pages. And I think I'm going to do that for this one too. I might put like just a single line of stitching right there, although that's going to go right through that leaf. Maybe across there, that would also go through that leaf, but less so. Maybe that. I like that. This is what I did today, guys. If you liked it, remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!